General knowledge questions. What planet is known as the red planet? Answer is Mars. Which is the largest mammal in the world? Answer is blue whale. What is the tallest mountain in the world? Answer is the Mount Everest. Which river is the longest in the world? Answer is the Nile River. What is the fastest land animal? Answer is cheetah. How many days are there in a leap year? Answer is 366. What is the name of our planet? Answer is the Earth. Which animal is known as the king of the jungle? Answer is lion. What do bees make? Answer is honey. What is the largest organ in the human body? Answer is skin. Which bird can run very fast? Answer is ostrich. How many oceans are there on Earth? Answer is 5. What shape has 3 sides? Answer is triangle. What do you call water when it freezes? Answer is ice. Which gas do we breathe in to live? Answer is oxygen. What is the name of the biggest ocean? Answer is the Pacific Ocean. Which animal has a long trunk? Answer is elephant. What is the name of the largest planet in our solar system? Answer is the Jupiter. What do you call a baby dog? Answer is puppy. Which insect makes a web? Answer is spider. What day comes after Friday? Answer is Saturday. How many months are there in a year? Answer is 12. Which animal hops and has a pouch for its baby? Answer is kangaroo. What do you call someone who flies a plane? Answer is pilot. What is the process by which plants make food using sunlight? Answer is photosynthesis. What is the opposite of hot? Answer is cold. What is the name of the star we see during the day? Answer is the sun. How many legs does a spider have? Answer is 8. What do you call a young cat? Answer is kitten. Which bird is often active at night and hoots? Answer is owl. What do plants need besides water and sunlight to grow? Answer is soil. Which animal lives in water and breathes through gills? Answer is fish. Which famous tower is in Paris, France? Answer is Eiffel Tower. Which holiday celebrates the birth of Jesus? Answer is Christmas. What do you call someone who writes books? Answer is author. Which animal gives us wool? Answer is sheep. What is the color that is a mix of blue and yellow? Answer is green. What do we call the baby of a cow? Answer is calf. What is the biggest continent by area? Answer is Asia. Which planet is closest to the sun? Answer is Mercury. What is a young horse called? Answer is foal. Which is the only mammal that can fly? Answer is bat. What natural event causes light in the sky during a storm? Answer is lightning. Which is the biggest bird by wingspan? Answer is albatross. What do we call animals that eat only plants? Answer is herbivores. Which bird cannot fly but runs fast? Answer is ostrich. What is the process by which rain falls from clouds? Answer is precipitation. What is the name of the study of stars and planets? Answer is astronomy. How many colors are there in a rainbow? Answer is 7. How many continents are there in the world? Answer is 7. Yeah, you learned a lot. Well done.